So the key things that I really want you to try and remember out of that presentation are deciding which is the priority. Is it time, is it cost, or is it quality? So make that decision, and then that'll steer you on the emphasis to focus on. Generally, my number one tip is design, 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 and do some more design, because that puts you in control, but it is time consuming. So ensure there's a clear and detailed design and scope of works for everybody to work to, and make sure it covers the whole project as well. So landscaping as well as just the inside of the house. Comprehensive pricing schedule. If everybody's priced it thoroughly, then there's less chance of there being extensive variations, and it puts you more in control of your budget. Understand those dependencies. The biggest issue with delays is generally that lead-in times haven't been considered, or that decisions aren't made in a timely manner. So for instance, the windows are on a 12-week lead-in time, so you've got to sign off that order as soon as it comes in to make sure that it gets into manufacture. And that order can't be signed off until they've measured the window openings. So there is a sort of dependencies there you've got to work through. Make sure the information flows. Everybody's working to the same drawings. And then from an inspection process, continually check the drawings match what's going on site, because that's what you're paying for. If the builders have priced the drawings, they should be delivering what's shown on the drawings.